Impact 20 Training Program Report conducted by Ma'am Arman Tabassum. Duration 3 days. Focus Professional Development for Educators. The Impact 20 Training Program was successfully conducted over the course of 3 days, led by the dedicated and experienced educator, Ma'am Arman Tabassum. The program was designed to enhance the professional competencies of teachers through targeted sessions focused on instructional strategies, classroom management, and assessment practices. We were honored by the presence of our distinguished guests, Mr. Imtiaz Hussein Unar, DEO Central, and Mr. Tariq Ali, DDO, whose participation added great value to the event. Day 1, Building Foundations. Session 1, Building Positive Relationships. Focused on cultivating strong teacher-student bonds to foster a safe, inclusive, and encouraging classroom atmosphere. Session 2, Managing Stress and Emotions. Introduce strategies for teachers to manage personal stress and support students in coping with emotional challenges. Session 3, Classroom Management and Effective Questioning, emphasized maintaining a disciplined classroom and using purposeful questioning to promote critical thinking. Day 2, Instructional Innovation Session 1, Engaging Minds. Explored creative techniques to stimulate student curiosity and maintain active engagement. Session 2, Lesson Plan. Made Simple simplified the lesson planning process, making it more accessible and time-efficient for teachers. Session 3, Exploring Excellence in Science Teaching. Using the 5E model, introduce the 5E model. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluate, as a framework for effective science instruction. Day 3, Assessment and Language Learning Session. 1. Effective Strategies for Teaching Reading and Urdu. Provided innovative approaches to literacy instruction and Urdu teaching methodologies. Session 2, Basics of Formative Assessment. Highlighted the role of formative assessment in monitoring student learning and guiding instruction. Session 3, Creating Rubrics. Guided participants in designing fair, transparent, and objective rubrics for evaluating student performance. The Impact 20 program was a dynamic and transformative experience for all participants. Through interactive and well-structured sessions, educators were equipped with practical skills and modern methodologies to elevate their teaching practices. This initiative marks a significant step forward.